Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to divide both sides by x. Next we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over x next to y, that is for integrating factor. So I will put this one gone here. And we have negative L and S. Negative will go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have S to the power of negative number 1. And this one we change by 1 over S. Next, we need to multiply both sides by 1 over s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. This one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when s equal to number 1, y equals to e minus 1. So I will put this one to find the value of c. So this one we have e minus 1 and we have e. So c equals to negative number 1. And now we put negative number 1 gone here. Later that we multiply both sides by s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.